So it should be a side-by-side race. Made a faster car win.
So we got to go out and do our job, make sure we hit the button right, and get down that track.
So Ryan Martin was the main talk of the race today, but he had a slow start to the season this year. Came on strong towards the end.
I guess he must have shook the tires and came across the center, had to pedal it. That was all it took for me. My car made a nice pass.
This track is very tricky. We made a really good pass last night, but it rained all last night. After we all got shut down, it rained most of the night, and
when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute, had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's a mad real, I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake booms, and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last deal. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles.